Hi guys, and welcome back. Unfortunately we're in lockdown, so I haven't really got any more mini bike content, but what I do have is a lot of RC cars. I was trying to avoid posting any content during the lockdown, but we're so bored shitless here, it's unreal. So there's a lot of noise, we've got neighbours and stuff, so I don't know how good this footage is going to come out, but basically a friend of mine gifted me this. It's a kyosho short circuit stadium truck, nitro, very light use. Someone built the car, never finished the rest of the shell, the rest of the build. I thought I'd get some of the thing, but during the meantime I built my own backyard RC track, and I've been running Tamiya's and all sorts of stuff around here. It's been great fun. I've got loads of RC stuff that I've just been able to have time now with the lockdown to get out and play with. So I didn't know what I was going to start filming. I didn't want to post a video of us, doing something different on the channel, because the subscribers that have subscribed, they like the monkey and then the mini bike stuff, and that's what I was planning on doing. But at the end of the day, I thought you might like some of the other hobbies you do, because people with similar hobbies have similar interests. So my plan today is to get this shell all up and cleaned. I'm going to get it painted. Still got all the protective film on it, look. So my plan is to get all this painted up and cleaned up, and then I'll do a before and after shot. Just a nice little bit of content. See how you like that. And it'd be nice. I'm going to clean it up. It's got a lot of rust in it. It's been sat in place. So I'm just going to give it a general clean up and give it a nice spruce. So look, the actual body itself is absolutely in good shape. It's kyosho. I don't even know the brand. He's got these zip ties here and stuff. So I thought I'd just do a before and after shot of me after I've painted the shell and stuff, and that'd be a good little bit of content for you. It's actually a nice car, this. Okay. Right guys, that's the finished product. Like I said, this was just a little bit of an improv video. I thought I'd get the RC stuff out and have a play with it, and then I've got to thank my mate Marty. He gave me this kyosho buggy, and it looked like someone had half built it, rode it, then didn't bother painting the shell and just left it to rot. So it's a bit of a shame. I have no other details on it, what year it is, what exact brand it is. All I know is the kyosho, and it's like that, what they call them, a truggy, like a half buggy, half truck kind of thing. I like these, I really like this. Well, I've got that Stadium Blitzer as well, that's very similar. Like I said, it was a bit of an improv video. Like I said, we're on lockdown. I was getting a little bit low and a bit fucking, not depressed, but like just fucking a bit, because we couldn't go out on the bikes because we're on lockdown, and all the events we had planned for this season were cancelled. So I thought, do you know what, I'll share something else on my hobby that, you know, someone might else find interesting. But this came out really well. Look how clean all the arms came out. I've completely stripped and scrubbed and cleaned the whole thing, all the inside of the wheels and hubs. Yeah, it came out really well. I'm really happy with this. And that desert yellow, like I said, the plastics were so badly damaged. I had to put like stickers in odd places to help strengthen the body. I mean, they were cracked all around these pins, but I just had some odd little stickers and stuff I had lying around the around in some of the odd RC boxes and stuff. But yeah, hopefully we can get this. I'll get an RC glow plug and a nitro RC kit to get this whole thing fired up, and then hopefully we can have some fun with it. At least it's better than it rotting in a box half finished and not used. You know what I mean? I like to use these stuff, but at the same time I do like to bring them back to life. So thanks to the people that subscribe, and you know, if it is your first time here, why is that? And hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification on there when we upload videos. But like I say, this isn't really our normal content, but I thought I'd share a bit of it with you. Look how clean that is all in there. And thanks, and ciao for now.